And then whenever I have a dirty diaper, I just, not me. Okay, let me just, hold on. Hi guys, welcome back to another video. I am Tiffany. Welcome to my channel. I talk about beauty and skincare and a few motherhood topics here and there. This is actually one of my first motherhood topics, which I'm really excited about, and that is cloth diapering / disposable diapers as well. I had a lot of people ask some questions about it, and it's actually not super hard to do if you're interested. So keep on watching to see all of my tips and tricks. So I guess the first thing would be, what does this all entail? What is cloth diapering? How is it different than disposable diapers? I'm sure you're all aware of like Pampers and stuff like that, all of the disposable diapers. We do a mixture of cloth and disposable. It just depends. I mean, honestly, it just depends on how busy we are. Sometimes if I am having a really hard week, I'm like, okay, forget it. Just doing disposables this week. I don't have time to do extra laundry, stuff like that. But it's definitely still doable. I just don't put a lot of pressure on myself to be perfect in that way. So that is my personal approach. As far as leaving the house, we almost always do disposable just so that we can toss it. We do have, I don't have it with me, but it's called a wet bag. And if you do cloth diaper, it's really nice to have a bag that you can, it's almost like a gym bag, or like if you were to go swimming, it's just like a small bag that's waterproof that you can zip the dirty diapers in, and then you can just throw them in your laundry when you get home. So that's kind of what we do if we were to leave the house with cloth diapering. But let's get started, and I will show you exactly what we do when we do cloth diaper. So my favorite setup is this diaper here. This is, what brand is this? GROVIA. So GROVIA is my all-time favorite cloth diaper. This is what it looks like front and back. The thing I like about this is that it's Velcro. So especially at night when you're trying to change the baby's diaper in the middle of the night and you're like, oh my gosh, I don't have time for snaps or anything like that. Pins. I don't really use pins, like safety pins with my diapers, but yeah, so you can just put the baby in this and then Velcro really quick, or take it off really fast, and it makes things really fast. The downside is that definitely when you do the laundry, there's hair and little fuzzies that stick in here. But this has an option of putting a snap insert if you like those. We just kind of lay them in there and they stay. There are a few different types of inserts. This one here is pretty much the only one we use. Well, we have multiple of this, but this is the only type that we use. This is a charcoal microfiber insert, you guys. Best. I definitely recommend, if you want a cloth diaper, get all of your inserts charcoal, because it's really cool, because some of the inserts are just thick cloth, and so it does soak up things, but this actually absorbs the moisture and it actually feels pretty dry for a long time. I got a question about whether or not baby gets diaper rashes, because a lot of times people say that cloth diapers can give diaper rashes. I think it's kind of true, because the diaper is a little bit more wet than, let's say, a paper diaper that just completely absorbs all the moisture. But these charcoal inserts do help with that, because the diaper feels drier for longer. So this would be an awesome thing to try if you are concerned about diaper rashes. Oliver's had a couple of them, but I just put more diaper cream on him when he's wearing a cloth diaper. So that helps to kind of create more of a barrier. Let me show you another one. This is the brand Grow Baby. This is another favorite of ours. This one is one of the ones that has snaps. So like this. So you can make it bigger or smaller depending on the size of your baby. So like that. So I really like the ones where you can adjust the sizes, because then you don't need to buy different sizes as he grows. So there's this one, and same thing, we just put the charcoal insert in like this and then snap it up. A trick that is very important that I didn't know at first was make sure the cloth insert is tucked inside the diaper when you put it on your baby, because things will escape out of there. So we have had a few blowouts, but that is something that definitely really helps if this elastic is right up against the baby's leg. So that is an important trick that I wish I knew. Another brand that we really like, I think this is the Bum Genius one. Oh, this is not, but this is called Flip. It's really nice to have a bunch of these. I think we have, honestly, we have about 20 of these, but I don't think we needed that many. Maybe in the very beginning, as he was like kind of going through more and more diapers in the middle of the night and stuff like that. And this one's really fun. This is like a Star Wars themed one. This is another one of those snap ones. I really liked this one. This is Ella Bella Bum, and I'm pretty sure they're on like Etsy or something. Cloth diapering can be expensive at first because all of these inserts or all of these covers can be up to like $10, maybe even like $15 each. I mean, if you get like the really deluxe ones, maybe they're like $20 each, which we did not do that. But I would recommend getting probably 10 of these covers, just to kind of get you started as your baby, you know, you're kind of figuring out how many diapers your baby goes through. That way you don't have to do laundry every single day. You can kind of like reuse these if they're not wet, and just like put a new insert in every time they go to the bathroom. Like say if they're only wet, you can just, usually we just took this out and then put a new one in and you're good to go. So that is that. There's a lot of information that I want to just kind of share with you to kind of get you started. Where did we get these? We got our cloth diapers on Buy Nothing, which is a Facebook community. Definitely recommend that if you are an expecting parent. We're part of a Buy Nothing group in our area, and they go kind of by neighborhoods. So check to see on Facebook if your neighborhood has a Buy Nothing, because people offer stuff up for free all the time. And we got like 10 of the charcoal inserts for free. I got this diaper for free. I'm pretty sure we got this one for free. Like we got so many things for free because people just want to give stuff and, you know, kind of clear out their closets and stuff like that. So I definitely recommend trying Buy Nothing because it saved us so much money. And we also went to a local children's consignment shop. So if you look up like baby consignment or children's consignment in your area, a lot of times they'll have cloth diapers and just like all kinds of baby diapering things for a discounted price. Obviously not free, but a lot cheaper than you would get them brand new. There's also a community on Facebook called, it's like Cloth Diaper Exchange or something like that. I never got anything on there, but they do offer up a lot of things for a discounted price. A lot of times it's bulk, so like somebody's giving their entire lot for a certain amount of money. Say they have like 20 cloth diaper covers and then like 30 inserts or whatever for a certain amount of price. So if you want to go together with another mom or dad or a parent or whatever to kind of get your stash up there, that's another option as well. Did we save money? Yes, 100% we definitely did save money. I think in total we spent probably about $60 or $70, probably $60 on all of these diapers because we just wanted to stock up. We have so many. If you kind of do the math about how much disposable diapers cost, I think most boxes are about $75 diapers for about $25 to $30. So if you go through 75 in like 2 weeks, honestly, it's like paying for itself in just a couple months or weeks even. So it definitely does save a lot of money, and it's really good for the environment because you're not throwing away diapers every day. Although you are doing more laundry, so I guess you can kind of decide for yourself whether or not it's worth it to you. Speaking of laundry, this is our little setup here. So whenever we're like thoroughly doing cloth diapers, we have a metal garbage can that has a plastic like bucket inside. And so what we do is we fill it with warm water and some of this, which is back out. Actually, my midwife told me about this stuff because she does cloth diapering as well. I will link everything that I can below. I'm sure you can get all of the stuff on Amazon, so I'll put links down below. This is back out, so it's a stain and odor remover, and it keeps things from getting really mucky and disgusting and just kind of being gross in your laundry room. So you just put some of this in there and then some warm water. When Oliver has a dirty diaper, we just kind of throw that into the garbage bin, and it has a lid on it, so we don't even smell anything. We do laundry probably every couple of days, so every other day-ish when we're thoroughly doing cloth diapers. And this is awesome for a stain remover. I just kind of spritz this on any areas, like say like a onesie or anywhere that like has poop on it that I want to clean up. And this is really good at getting that out. And it's also, it uses an enzyme. Both of these are enzymes, so it's not actually bleach. Very awesome for like a more natural brand. We also use the Eco laundry detergent in Free and Clear. This is what we use to wash all of our laundry, including the cloth diapers. For sanitation, you can look it up yourself, but basically you want to wash the diapers in cold water, and we then washed in hot water. We were fine with that. It didn't shrink the diapers, but you might want to be careful depending on what kind of diaper you have. Maybe it will shrink, so definitely check the manufacturer's label to see like the best way to wash them. But we washed in hot after that just to kind of kill all the bacteria. Whenever we got really lazy, we did put them in the dryer. Like if we really needed a diaper like now, then we put it in the dryer and let them dry. But I would recommend air drying just to kind of keep the integrity of the diaper. And then we just put these in the dryer because that was totally fine. Yeah, so that I think is everything that I need to tell you about cloth diapers. Somebody did ask like, what are cloth diapers made out of? You just have to check the brand. There are some that are like strictly organic cotton, and I think that's everything. Let me know if you have any more questions about cloth diapering, or if you have any super helpful tips that other moms or dads would really love to hear. Please leave them below because I always love reading new stuff and new tips, and people know their stuff. So please do share that if I did miss anything, and subscribe if you haven't already. Give this video a thumbs up, and I will see you next time.